9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
Everyone, I'm here to explain the result of many reports regarding criminal law in Russia. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ripka Sri Rejeki Simanjuntak with last name 440. Okay, I will enter the result of the report. Please take a look. Criminal law in Russia. I want to introduction of country. In a country, there is name for the law that form it. For example, private law, public law, civil law, and family law. So here I want to discuss a public law. Public law itself is the law the basis on the state to regulate that way the state carries out its duties. Therefore, to pay attention to the public interest. Therefore, the implementation of public legal rules is carried out by the authorities. One example of public law is criminal law, where criminal law regulates violations and crimes and contains prohibitions and sanctions. And next, I want to legal system Russia. The Russian state uses a civil law legal system, which also known as the continental legal system or Roman continental legal system. The civil law legal system had its roots in the Napoleon Code, which was developed in France in the early 19th century and has influenced many countries in Europe and the world. Criminal law in Russia, the same as Indonesia, namely based on legislation. The legal system in Russia is federative based on Section 71 of the Russian Constitution. Criminal law and criminal procedural law are the exclusive jurisdiction of federal bodies. Ensuring public order and safety is part of duties of the federation and its part. Actions taken by regional authorities and the republics that make up Russia cannot challenge law issues by federal bodies. The court system in Russia is regulated by Russian Ministry of Justice, which is a territorial branch of the federation. Next, the ministry primarily performs financial and administrative functions. Judges are independent and make their decisions, making choices based on legal rules. High courts can confirm or overturn the decisions. The lower court complies with the rules of the criminal procedure and can also grant with territory. The most important laws come from the criminal code, criminal procedure code, and the code for the execution of criminal sentence. The law on the judicial system, the law on militia, and the law on the status of judges. Next, the history. The historic criminal justice system in Russia, namely the criminal law in Russia, has its own characteristic in the first known age. Ruskaya Pravda uses in the 11th century. The great codification of Russian criminal law, called Sobornoe Ulozenie, took place in 1649. Before the revolution, Ulozenie on Nakazania, Ugolovnich is Pravintelenich was effective. The text of this law can be found in Russian legislation of the centuries. The Soviet period had a major influence of the economy of the justice system, and to this day, there are a number of major laws, including the Criminal Procedure Code and Criminal Procedure Code that still exist in force. In the summer of 19 1994, President Yeltsin approved the Criminal Procedure Code that still exists in force. In the summer of 1994, President Yeltsin approved the draft criminal code adopted in 1995, even though the criminal code has been amended 7 times since 1990. Post-Soviet reform of criminal legislation has processed rather slowly. For example, the distinction between state and private property was removed from the criminal code only in the summer of 1994. Previously, the code called for more serious penalties for crimes against state property. Next, legal classification. Legal classification that occur in the Russian state, there are no crimes that are not mentioned in the criminal code, and this is the only source of criminal legislation. There are two categories crime classification, namely major crimes, for example, rape, kidnapping, treason, espionage, crimes against the justice system, serious violent crimes, and murder. Minor violations include violation of property, hooliganism, and violation of public order. These distinctions is used to determine the punishment of offenders and the type of correctional institution to which they are sent. The age of criminal responsibility is 16 years. Person aged after 14 years bear responsibility only for murder, serious injury, rape, kidnapping, theft, robbery, theft of firearms and drugs, and malicious hooliganism. Courts can also impose education penalty or sanctions or reforms measures instead of criminal law of persons under 18 years of age who commit crimes. The prosecutors and judicial process in trials in Russia have several rights of the accused. Firstly, the accused has the right to be informed about the nature and course of the accusation. Secondly, to provide an explanation in the accusation process, to present evidence, submit appraisals, and appeal to the court. Thirdly, to know the reason and grounds of the arrest. The fourth examines the material submitted by the court. And the fifth, he finds out the reason and grounds for extending the period of destination. The sixth examines the records of the pretrial investigation. The seventh has at visual. A case can be examined by a court consisting of one jury and two assessors, two, three jurors, three or one jury only. This jury system has just been introduced into criminal procedure in Russia. The change already in place have not yet come into force. The jury participates in the trial at the discretion of preparator if he is accused in major case. They only decide question based on fact, not question about the law or punishment, with some exceptions. Any sentence age 25 to 70 years can serve on a jury under the law of 16 July 1993. Judicial body. The highest judicial body in Russia is the Supreme Court of High Court in Russia. The second level of the judicial system is the Supreme Court, the Republic Constituted of the Russian Federation, the Regional Court, the City Court of Moscow, and St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg, the three-level of courts consists of people courts located in districts and small towns. This court processes the largest number of criminal cases. A split system of military court of tribunal falls directly under the Supreme Court. Example of legislation. Example of several laws that regulated the criminal justice system in Russia. Article 37, paragraph 159. In the Russian Federation, no one can be arrested except by order of the judiciary or with the approval of the public prosecutor. Arrest consists of detention in custody. Arrest and detention in custody may be carried out against minors on only exceptional circumstances. if justified by the gravity of the offense committed. 160, the draft criminal procedural law currently being discussed by the Supreme Constitutional Court for the first time permit appeals against arrest to court and will permit detention in custody and imprisonment solely on the basis of a court order. A lawyer will be determined to be involved in the judicial process from the moment a person detained or arrested. Translator assistance in case involving minors will be provided free or of charge. The aims is also establishes the minor attorney and the right to be involved to the charge against the defense to file petition and lawsuit, present evidence, and examine all case documents after the completion of the preliminary investigation. However, investigators also have the right to permit involvement in case involving legal guardians of children if there are reason to suspect that this could harm the interest of the child. Sentencing of crime against children, including in particular the prohibition of the death penalty and life imprisonment.